Trophy AC provides complete installation, repair, and maintenance of residential and commercial air conditioning systems in San Antonio and the surrounding communities. Our professional technicians are happy to provide free in-home estimates, 24/7 emergency service, and a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. No matter what your home or office needs in terms of AC service, we can handle the job. You can count on us for AC installation, AC repair, AC tune-ups, AC maintenance, air duct repair, air duct cleaning, and much more. Whether you have a split AC system or a central AC system, we fix them all. As a full-service HVAC service company in San Antonio, we're here to help day or night, with no extra cost after-hours service and no trip charges. All of the technicians at Trophy AC are certified, drug-tested, and uniformed, so you can rest easy knowing you'll get quality service. The next time you need commercial or residential air conditioning service in San Antonio, Alamo Heights, Universal City, Kirby, or the neighboring towns, give Trophy AC a call and we'll be there when you need us.